Simplifying algebraic expressions. Now we'll start with some terminology, and the first thing is we have two terms here. So the first term is 3x and the second term is 10 triangle. So they're two separate terms. When looking at these two terms, the number is what we call the coefficient, and the unknown variable is either represented with a symbol or a letter, so the x and the triangle are what we call the variables. They can vary in value. So when looking at variables, the values can be different. So we have x equaling 5, and if I have 3x, that means I have 3 multiplied by 5 because x has a value of 5, which means the answer is 15. Now, if that value was varied and x actually had a value of 10, if I now had 3x's, it would be 3 multiplied by 10, which is 30. So in our next example here, we have 6y plus 3 equals 15. We have three terms here. They are 6y, 3, and 15. The expression is 6y plus 3, and the equation is 6y plus 3 equals 15. And because it is an equation, it has an equal sign in it. We'll now simplify these three expressions. Now the first one, I have triangle plus triangle plus triangle, which means I have 3 triangle, or 3 multiplied by triangle. In the next expression, 5 and 7 can be multiplied by each other, so that's 35. And then I have D and F, so 35 is multiplied by D and multiplied by F. And the last expression is 36a divided by 6. 36 divided by 6 is 6, and I still have the a, so I have 6a. When simplifying algebraic expressions, like terms can be added and subtracted from each other, whereas unlike terms cannot. So looking at the terms I have here, 3a and 5a are like terms, so they can be added to each other. So I have 3a plus 5a, which equals 8a. I also have f. So f and another f, that is f plus f is 2f. We have k on its own, so k would just be on its own, so I just have k. There is nothing to add it to or subtract it to. We have triangle and 7 triangle. So 7 triangle plus triangle would be 8 triangle. And then I have 2c and c. So 2c plus c would be 3c.